Hey everyone, I'm Jeep Mama. Now that spring is here, the warm temperatures are coming, and that means topless weather. And sometimes us Jeepers, when we're out driving around with our tops down, we get caught in some rainstorms. And rainstorms mean water in your Jeep. And how do you get that water out of your Jeep? Luckily enough, Jeeps come with drain plugs. The Jeep Wranglers have 12 drain plugs, one in the storage compartment, oh, look at it go. And one where the jack is located. Guess I should have left my windows on. There are also drain plugs underneath each seat, so that makes 4 more drain plugs. Then there's one drain plug in each of the footwells of the rear seats, and 2 drain plugs in the footwells of the driver and passenger side seats in the front. It's right under here, about 5 inches from the seat. Yeah, there's water right in there. So if you lift up the carpet, you can see it right here. There it goes. Now I'll go see if I can find another one. So on those topless days when you get caught in a rainstorm, don't worry. All you need to do is get your carpet out and let it dry for a day or two, pull those plastic drain plugs, and you're good to go.